Hi, this is John from La Flamme Informatique. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a Lenovo Thinkpad L512 broken LCD panel. So first we're going to start by removing the battery and the power adapter. Then you're going to remove the 4 squares rubber that are hiding the screws that you want to take off at each side of the screen. You're going to unsnap the front screen bezel. Start from the inside of the screen and go outward. Just make sure you're being gentle because you don't want a little snap to actually snap out. Once it's done, you just have to set the bezel aside. If you pay attention, you see that the back of the screen is actually broken on this model. So if you have the same problem with your unit, you don't have to take off the 4 inches screw. Otherwise, it's going to be easier for you to take those out. Then locate and remove the 4 screws on the side of the LCD panel. Start with the bottom so the top doesn't go away. Make sure you don't go with the cables when you remove the LCD panel. And you're gonna have to detach the taped cables behind the LCD panel. Be really gentle with the little connector. There's a transparent tape over it. Begin with the transparent tape, and then you can go on and remove all the remaining taped cables. This is the actual connector, if you don't know what it looks like. So we're gonna unwrap the new LCD panel and proceed with the installation. So when you're reconnecting the connector, just be sure that you insert it straight and that it's not bent or going on a little side first, and then that's it. Just assemble everything back like in the reverse order that you did, and you're done. Enjoy your brand new LCD panel. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment, ask question. La Flamme Informatique is always there for you.